How to add website to your profile on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a website to your profile on Squarespace. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click profile, and as you see here you will find profile settings. Now just click website and type here your website. Just type anything you want here and then click save, and that's it, and then just close it. And as you see, it's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.